Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are thinking that how can it be possible to learn this language in just 1 month, if you are surprised about, if you are thinking that this is the unrealistic video, so watch this video till the end, because here I am going to speak the truth about the reality. I am going to speak the reality here. This video is going to be about how can you learn spoken English in just 1 month. I will prove here. I will give you the genuine tips. I will give you the proven tips that will help you to learn this language in just 1 month. Because guys, there is only 1 month left of this year. If you had set the target that I had to learn this language, but you could not learn this language because of some reasons, you have the feeling of guilt. You are thinking that I could not achieve anything in this year. I just had to learn this language, but I could not achieve. I want to achieve. If you want to achieve, there is 1 month left. You just have to follow these steps in your life and you are going to achieve very much. I can assure you guys, you are going to achieve very much. So guys, without any further delay, let's get started. Before diving into the video, I want to give you an introduction of myself, because I can also be a motivation for you guys. Everybody who come from the very basic background, very humble background, village areas, and they have completed their education in Hindi medium background. So please listen this carefully. I also come from these backgrounds. I also come from the village background. I also have completed all my education in Hindi medium background so far. Even then I am able to speak very good English because I followed some tips. Because of this reason I am teaching you guys, so that it will help you a lot, so that you guys can speak good English, because English has become very, very important language, an essential language. I will definitely say it has become the compulsory language to learn. So you cannot neglect this language. You cannot say that it is not important. If you are going to achieve something big in life, so English will be a compulsory language. English will be a very positive language to learn. So come to the point here. I am going to give you some very, very genuine steps that you guys have to follow. If you will follow, you are going to learn this language in just 1 month. I am not speaking lie. I don't go beyond the reality. If you want to learn this language in just 1 month, so you will have to get out from your comfort zone. Otherwise you cannot learn. This is the fact. If you just want to improve this language in just 1 month, so please get out from your comfort zone. आप comfort zone से बाहर जाइए, क्योंकि अब 1 महीना बचा हुआ है. यदि आप केवल 1 महीने की बात है, this is only about 1 month. If you are just focused only for 1 month, you are going to speak this language. So comfort zone से बाहर होइए. This is the first step that you have to do. Please get out from your comfort zone. Otherwise you don't have to watch this video till the end. You don't have to learn this language. This is not your cup of tea. If you want to speak good English, so you will have to get out from your comfort zone. Okay. Why am I saying that you have to be you will have to get out from your comfort zone? Because the first step is you have to practice speaking English for 20 to 30 minutes per day. From your single day, you have to speak whatever the things you are able to speak. Don't worry about the mistakes everybody makes. When I was beginner, when I started learning this language, I also used to make many mistakes in my journey. Many mistakes. I was making the mistakes continuously. But guys, I did not stop learning this language. I did not stop speaking. This will be the first step if you are going to learn this language. If you are a beginner, जितना भी हो, as much as possible, you just have to speak 20 to 30 minutes every day. Where to speak? Where do you speak? This is the question. Where do you speak? This is the very genuine question. You just have to speak in front of the mirror. In front of the mirror. Mirror technique is very, very effective. If you don't want to speak in front of the mirror, you just have to record yourself on the video. Because if you will record, here is a one step extra. Because when you are going to record yourself on your video or on your mobile phone, you will be able to reflect your faults. You will be able to look over the video again, and after that, when you are making faults, where you are making faults, you will be able to correct those faults. So here is a plus point if you are shooting your video. So the first step is you have to do at least 20 to 30 minutes exercise every day. Start doing this exercise from now. Don't worry about the mistakes, just worry about your spoken English language, that I am learning or not. Okay. And guys, the step number 2 is start learning phrases, because phrases are the easier. I mean, if you're going to learn phrases every day, so the phrases, to learn English language through phrases is the easier way to learn this language, to learn spoken English. Because in phrases, you are not going to learn a particular meaning. You are just learning the sentence, the whole sentence, everyday uses. Sentence you are going to learn, day-to-day life sentences. The phrase is about कि आप जो use करते हैं everyday में, कि for example, जैसे example देता हूँ. Example number 1. Would you like to help me? क्या आप मेरी सहायता करना पसंद करेंगे? Example number 2. Would you like to take a cup of coffee or tea? क्या आप एक कप कॉफी या चाय लेना पसंद करेंगे? Would you get me a glass of water? Will you go with me? So these are the phrases. These are the common phrases, everyday uses phrases. You just have to learn these phrases, because learning English through the phrases will help you a lot, and you will be able to learn this language faster than usually. If you want to learn this language in just 1 month, so you just have to learn the phrases first. Phrases learn करो, at least 15 to 20 phrases you have to learn every day, and after that you have to speak. जो मैंने exercise बताई थी, whatever the exercise I have told in this video, at least 20 to 30 minutes, you just have to use these phrases that you have learned. Okay? Will you do it? If you will do it, please comment on my video. That is how you will be able to speak good English. Otherwise, don't think about learning this language, because at least in 1 month, if you think about learning this language, you will have to do hard work. Hard work is the key. And guys, after this, you just have to be focused on step number 3. That is, surround yourself in this language. If you are going to learn a new language, you just have to be surrounded. If you are able to surround yourself in a particular language, in a particular thing that you have to achieve, your half work is done. This is the reality. Surrounding yourself in a particular language, in this language, is tough. I will definitely say that this is the tough task to do, because there is no one who cares about you. There is no one who think that you have to learn. But some of the guys, some of the friends will definitely support you. You just have to find those guys. Those are very supportive. You just have to make the environment where, if you are going to speak, there is no one who can make fun of you. So just make this environment and speak every day with those guys who are supportive, so that they are not making fun of you. You will speak. You will be able to develop your confidence level. So this is the step number 3. Surround yourself in this language. Everywhere in your room, you just have to stick the things where you have taken down the things like कि I just have to learn this language in just 1 month, I just have to speak very good English, speak good English, learn this language, listening practice. इस टाइप के आपको जो posters है ना, you just have to stick on the wall in your room. This may be a very effective technique to learn this language very fast. So this was the step number 3 that you have to follow. It helped me a lot. I am unable to show you my room because I could not take any photos of that room, so I cannot show you, but it helped me a lot. I also followed this step for learning this language, for learning anything. I used to use this technique. Even today I follow this. Okay, is step number 4 that you have to follow. That is about the repeat the sentences. Where to repeat, how to repeat, these are the questions. You just have to start watching the movies, podcast, or other things like blogs in English language. You just have to record. I mean, you just have to repeat those sentences that you like very much. जैसे कि if you're going to watch something, if you're going to watch a movie where you just I mean liked something in that particular movie, if you like some dialogues, you just have to repeat those dialogues like you are just acting. You just have to repeat those sentences in that particular way that the hero or heroine or other actors are saying. You just have to repeat. This is going to help a lot. If you are going to repeat those sentences, it is going to stick, it is going to be stuck in your mind, and after sometimes you will be able to think in English, you will be able to speak those sentences that you have repeated all the times. You will be able to speak. Your mind will automatically give you the words to speak. This was the step number 4 that helped me a lot. Okay, will you follow it? If you will follow it, you are going to learn this language. There is no one who can stop you to speak very good English in just 1 month. There is no one. Okay, and guys, the final step, that is, don't fear about the mistakes. This is the very common fear everybody thinks about when I will make mistakes in front of the public, when I will try to speak in English language. They will say bad things. They will pass the bad comments, negative comments. So this is the fear. This is the fear because you are thinking about the mistakes. This comes from the mistakes because you think when you are thinking too much about the mistakes, you are going to make the mistakes. जिस चीज के बारे में आप जितना ज्यादा सोचोगे वो उतनी ही ज्यादा घटित होगी. जितना ज्यादा सोचोगे जिस चीज के बारे में वो इतनी ही ज्यादा घटित होगी. तो you don't have to think about the mistakes. You just have to think about I have to improve every day. I am just improving little bit every day. Don't think about I just have to be perfect. There is nothing which is perfect in this world. There is nothing. So please guys, don't think too much about the mistake that you are making every day. Only this is the way everybody has passed this process. When someone is starting learning this language from now, they will definitely make many mistakes. When I was beginner, I also used to make many mistakes. This is the fact. This is the reality. When I was beginner, I cannot go beyond the reality. I am telling the truth that when I was beginner, I also used to make many mistakes. The sentence mistakes, the grammatic mistakes, the vocabulary, the pronunciation mistakes. Even today I make, but I am speaking well. I am speaking better than before. So think about that. You are being better than before. बस आपको ये सोचना है कि मैं पहले से तो कुछ अच्छा हुआ. पहले जब मैं था बोल रहा था, मैं तो कुछ नहीं बोल पा रहा था, लेकिन आज तो मैं बहुत कुछ बोल रहा हूँ ना. So this is how you have to think. This is how. Okay, so here I have given the 5 very genuine, very possible tips here that will help you a lot to learn this language in just 1 month. If you are focused, if you are totally focused on these 5 tips, I can assure you that you are going to learn this language. You are going to speak very good English after these 30 days. After this month, you are going to learn. You will not be feeling any kinds of bad or negative thoughts after passing this year, because if you are not focused on your learning, you are definitely going to feel bad in yourself that I could not achieve anything this year, मैंने ये साल खराब कर दी. इस टाइप के नेगेटिव थॉट्स यदि आप लोग नहीं लाना चाहते तो प्लीज आप अभी से फोकस कर दीजिए. आपके पास 1 महीना पूरा डला हुआ है. यदि आप फोकस करेंगे तो आपके पास एक बहुत ही पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग, पॉजिटिव थॉट्स वाली जो पॉजिटिव विचार होंगे वो आएंगे नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए, और नेक्स्ट ईयर से आप बहुत ही अच्छे फोकस्ड हो पाओगे बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से. तो इस ईयर को जितना आपने रियून कर दिया, फॉरगेट अबाउट दोज थिंग्स दैट यू हैव रियून्ड इन योर लाइफ. फॉरगेट अबाउट दोज आइडियाज. जस्ट make new ideas and focus on those ideas. Make the simple goals, that the achievable goals that you can achieve. Okay, so this is what I wanted to teach here in this video, guys. This is what I wanted to tell in this video. Okay, so we will meet in another video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can never miss my videos, and share to all your friends who are very close to you so that they can also watch my videos. If they will watch, they will also find something relevant. Okay, so like कर देना and subscribe कर लेना मेरे चैनल को. Have a good day. We will meet in another very genuine, very essential topic. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.